14 toys were banned in January last year and 17 toys in February 2011. A total of 184 toys were banned according to Dubai Municipality statistics. Every month, the civic body's inspectors find a number of toys that expose to children to a variety of dangers through contact with the skin and eyes or by inhalation or ingestion.
We look after the toys in much more wider spectrum than just looking at it in a laboratory manner, you know, which is the chemical and the physical and the biological content of it. In addition to that, we look at the pictures which or the statements, if any, which are made. Are they offending or offensive to any religion or to any background or to any ethnic group? We are also looking at the symbols or the pictures, shapes, whether they are containing any sexual or any statement which incite you know, some sort of offensive habit or some sort of illegal habit.
Officials say the toy inspection program is one of the oldest as far as products are concerned. Spanning 2 decades, there are stringent rules and regulations. They say those who wish to import toys and sell them in the local market must comply.
They have to submit us with a sample and also for a certificate from the origin country, and we are checking that one, the record of the toys. If that is okay, we approve for them to import that toys to Dubai. They are something international, you know, like, you know, toys now should be, they have to in the labeling Arabic, English, because that is standard for that one.
At present, surprise and random visits to retailers are carried out, especially during festivals. Samples of toys confiscated are taken to the Dubai Central Laboratory for testing if it meets the municipality standards.
Ever since we started, we developed our laboratory capabilities, our testing capabilities, our inspection capabilities, and nowadays, the traders, they know what to bring. I mean, at least they know what not to bring, because there is a standard, UAE standard, and the Europe, which is based on European standards.
However, civic body officials say another growing concern that pose risks to children are the growing range of cosmetics sold across the city.
There are certain shapes of the products that may be risky for the kids if it's the baby preparation, for example, that some of the creams that are now manufactured in the shape of the chocolate, and it has a chocolate smell and it has a chocolate color, etc., etc. So if it's ingested or if it's eaten, then it's a high risk. So probably the shape of the product may cause that. Sometimes the storage. When you go to any hypermarket, if they are going to, for example, that kind of product, it is kept very nearby the food, that's a big risk for us.
The Consumer Products and Safety section of the Dubai Municipality oversees the registration, evaluation and inspection of cosmetics and personal care products, health supplements, perfumes, detergents, disinfectants, and many others.
We do have our team of the inspectors who go and screen the market, but probably we on like 99% we know who's the importer of the product and who's the distributor. So we, of course, because the most batch of the product will be with them, and then they know where they have distributed and they supply to who. So it makes our life easier and our spectators' life easier. But of course, we do have our own way, which is screening the market. That one will take longer time, but in cooperation with the company and the list of the products that we get from them, that who's the supplier, which premises they have been supplied the products to, and these things will make it easier.
The cosmetics industry is witnessing a rapid growth in the Middle East and has driven demand for the halal makeup industry. In 2011, it was estimated by Euromonitor International that the UAE market for color cosmetic products will be worth over 519 million dirhams by 2014. Ensuring products conformity is critical than ever.
We don't want to see misleading public by false advertisement and false claims on any such products. We don't want to see misuse of such products to a purpose that they are not meant for, or the category of people they are not meant for.
Unless the product probably contains, any of the products maybe it contains alcohol that can be suitable for any other culture, but not for us. Not only the alcohol concentration, but probably the image or the picture that is probably it's on the label of the product sometimes. Most of the slimming products that we founded and they were with no label, they all contained sibutramine and other derivatives. This is like a slimming agent, which is used to be prescribed as a medicinal product, but even now it's banned because it has lots of health effects, and it's banned even to be used as medicine.
While the Consumer Product Safety section continues to ensure that products conform to the UAE's cultural as well as religious standards and are free of any harmful elements, they say consumers also have a responsibility.
Not necessarily that every product has the production expiry date, or if the production does not carry production expiry, then it is not good. Probably it passed by us because there is another label which is code for the products that can be stable more than the 30 months. Then there is like a symbol, like an open jar symbol, which is period after opening, that if the product is good, but as soon as you open it for the first time, then there is a digit there. Is it 6M means 6 months? If it's 12, that this is 12 months. This means that within that period of time, this product is okay to be used. We do not accept any perfume unless it has the flammable sign, or it's mentioned somehow it's flammable, highly flammable, for example. So these are the things that we wish the consumer to take, at least to pay attention to them.
So there are a number of rules that companies must follow before they can bring and sell toys in Dubai. According to the municipality, all imported toys must contain the CE mark, together with other labeling requirements of EN71 or equivalent US or European standards. In addition to toys, the cosmetics, personal care, and health supplements are seeing a rapid growth. While the range of choices is increasing, officials encourage consumers to be proactive in their safety. Whenever making a purchase, make it a habit to read the label. Up next, we'll take a look at the health and hygiene in labor camps and workplaces. Stay tuned.